So good day, Miss Ara. We are Group 5. And for our chosen task based on the last graded task is the employee leave and attendance management. But before we explain our output and such, we will introduce first ourselves. My name is Ian Tracy C. Orellana.
My name is Lee Aaron Mejia.
And I am Carlos Silvino R. De La Roca.
So for our chosen graded task, our chosen company is Big Brew. So please slide down. So, a short company profile of what Big Brew is. It is a coffee shop that serves a variety of foods and snacks, not limited to coffee and iced tea. The branch just opened on March 2024, and its target customers are students, coffee goers, and much more. Since the branch just recently opened, there are only 7 employees. It includes one manager at the moment.
So for the can you scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. So for its functional area, we're going to be talking about um the area for this study and why we chose it. So this area also oversees daily operations related to staff and attendance, and also work shifts and overall workforce management. So let us then go to the organizational chart. So first we have the highest one among the franchise, which is the manager. And the manager is basically the overall supervisor of the coffee shop, and it also oversees operations and its staff, and also implements new systems like the automated attendance process that we're currently making for them. And it also ensures that staff will also adhere to their schedules. As for the baristas, frontline employees are responsible for preparing foods and drinks, and also interacting with customers and maintaining the cleanliness of the cafe.
So as for the process description, their current process flow is manual logging in the physical logbook in order to record their time in and time out times. So and work hours are calculated manually. Attendance records are stored physically and making retrieval and analysis very time consuming. So we have decided to automate the process the where a sheet or a Google sheet or an Excel file will be automatically created named after the date of today or the current day. And whenever an employee logs in their name, uh, the time that they logged it in would also be recorded. And the same thing would happen during their logout time. So, bale ganito po siya. Ang una po niyang gagawin ay ah, magre-reference po ng Excel file. Tapos mag-a-assign po ng date now para and time now para po makuha po yung date and time ngayon. And dito po, mara-write po yung employee time in and ah, kung saan po siyang cell nakalagay. And the same po for timeout. So, ito po yung body. Ito po yung loop na if mag-time in and ta-time out. So, pag po nag-time in, i-record po nila yung name and automatically po masasama yung oras sa oras po na nag-login sila. And the same thing will happen for the timeout. And at the end of the day, uh, masosort po yung listahan nung ano, yung listahan po ng employees. Kasama po yung time in and time out times nila para po ma-compare ma-compare kung anong oras po sila nag-time in and nag-time out. So, sa demonstration po. Hintayin lang po natin. So, bale, after po nun, na masasave po siya dito sa attendance sheet. And ito po yung example.
Excel,
pala.
sinisave sa
Sa
Excel.
bale,
Yeah.
wait lang, X ko dito. So, ito po yung Excel file kung saan po siya na-save. Nandito po yung sorted file, ay, nandito po yung sorted sheet, and nandito po yung unsorted sheet, yung in-input po natin kanina. Employee time in and employee time out, unsorted. Tapos, ito po yung sorted. And that concludes our presentation.
That is all po for our group.